Start it over again. Alright, so we're just going to keep on going with this video. I thought I could pause it, and I'm not sure how to do that.
You have to do it.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
I can't get it.
Let's see. Hold it tight, baby. Okay, got it. Alright, so let's look at the bottom and see what we have at the bottom. Looks like I have maybe a cover there. Let's try.
Cover here, and there's a cover on the side.
Let's try these two screws and see. Looks like a 5/16.
Or a flathead.
Yeah, you know where those are at.
Try a flathead.
Showing 5/16. Probably you're gonna need a socket. Yeah, don't try it. It's not gonna go.
You might have to lube them up.
Not gonna go.
Might have to lube
All right,
them
hold
up.
on. We're gonna take this apart. We'll come back.